My people, how na dey? I just want to throw some light for this Justice Clark and Barrister Marshall, misunderstanding. I watch many video clips of many people saying so many things about Barrister Marshall. That is, this is that is this is that. I just want us to be very, very plain and clear. Let us leave seniority aside and talk about sincerity. Who filed the case? It was Barrister Marshall. Has he run away from the case? The answer is no. He was in Turkey, and when the date of that case comes, he need to flew from Turkey and come to defend and present to stand for the release of Justice Clark. And before he arrived, his case that he filed the case, and he fought the case from the beginning to the battle line that they are going to grant this young man release. And another person pop up. They bring another barrister come to be a defendant, to be at the front line. May we leave sentimental at all and talk about reality. Please, if you were that Barrister Marshall, would you agree? Would you agree? Let's be very sincere. Say some of we Nigerians, we too have sense. And they tell some people, we too have sense. Sometimes our sense. Let me tell you something. If you claim too wise, people won't near you. People won't come to you. If you claim say you're too wise, you're too sharp. Now, I watched one video clip that one person shouted at the background that we don't want VDM to take the glory. We don't want VDM to me. That is pure rubbish. That person is a tribalistic person, is a joy killer. That person is an envy person. Is a person that doesn't want another person to progress. Now, let's talk about the glory. What glory is he talking about? See, we need to understand in this life that who passed you has passed you. Who senior you has senior you. Who greater than you is greater than you. If you like, praise the person. The Bible says, if you cannot praise me, I can command a stone to praise me. So, if you like, you praise the person that is senior you or is greater than you. If you don't like, if you like envy, if you the envy person, you put hatred in your body, in your mind, in your heart. And you said, I don't want VDM to take. Do we talking about the VDM's glory here? Even if you want to alter that kind of a word, should have been after this young man is set free and reunite with these people. If he wanted to blackmail anybody, because everybody were focusing to see this young man gain his freedom. You understand? But as he said, the people, that is why if you want to do some things, don't need too much of crowd. If you want to do some things, there's some crowd that you don't need. One or two people. Because now, what make all these things to tarnish is that too much of talk. This and this. Maybe because of the Barrister Marshall in Turkey, does it mean that when you are a preacher or when you are a leader, you can't enjoy life? Does it mean that because you are a preacher, because you are a pastor, you are a leader, you are imam, you are this one, that means you need to deal like this? You don't need to free yourself. You don't need to smile. You don't need to live life to your own satisfaction. Too much of sentimental. That is what I see that make that man to still remain in that detention, which is not good. We should learn how to comport ourselves. We should learn how to talk when it's due to talk. You understand? If you were my Barrister Marshall, tell me the truth. A battle, a case that you fought to come to the end of the case, and you see another person, I blame the Justice Clark self, because they ask him, who do you want to present you? He said, my barrister. And what about this person that filed the case? That means I need to withdraw my case. Yes. Okay, since I fought this case to this line, to stand for your release, and before I come, you sideline me, you bring another barrister to be at the front line, and they ask you, who do you want to present? And you say that means I need to withdraw what I fought since. That's just so there's no need for you to say, Barrister Marshall, do this, do that, do that, do that. No, you yourself talk about yourself. What are the words that what they do, what they did in that court, what you said, was it fair? Was it good? That's the reality of life. It's not sentiment. So now people talk. Now make that man still remain for that place. Anyways, I pray Monday should be his release there. I just pray so. Thank you. And please share my video and engage. God bless us.